Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's poppin'? Today we have something special for y'all. It's Valentine's season once again. Last year my candles was a hit. I don't care what nobody say. And this time we're doing dessert. Taking 3 whole egg whites. I'm gonna pour it into this bowl. It has like half a teaspoon of salt in there already. And then I'm going to use my hand mixer up in there. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Now that we're nice and fluffy, I'm going to keep mixing while adding a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Now I'm going to be doing this gradually, right? I think we're stiff enough. Who would have known that egg whites could get so fluffy with just some sugar?
Not me.
The next thing I'm supposed to do is add some vanilla essence and then beat until it's fully incorporated before adding my food coloring. Guys, I'm so excited for this outcome. Yo, if we mess it up together, that's all. I just hope it's still edible. That is all. So I'm supposed to add half a teaspoon of the vanilla essence. That does not look like half. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm going to add back without making any mess. Alright, so half a teaspoon in there, and then we can mix it. I think that's good, fully incorporated. Now we're gonna add some food coloring. No, it is Valentine's, so I was going for the pink, guys. I was going for the pink. This is called Chef Master Gel Base Food Color, and the name of the shade, let me make sure I'm blocking my eyes, and the name of the shade is called Baker's Rose. I think it's such a cute pink. I really hope it comes out that way though. I mean, it's probably gonna look really extremely rich, and because of the white, it will tone down to the shade of pink that we want. They say 2 drops. I don't have a dropper, and plus it's gel I'm gonna be using anyways. Can this count as 1? Y'all, it's looking like cut blood. Okay, the chefs and they probably cringing watching this video. But that's okay. Our next step is to add sifted almond flour that is mixed with salt, right? Here I have Bob's Red Mill super fine almond flour. So I don't think I need to put this in a food processor or anything like that. Let me just show y'all Bob real quick, because listen to me. I have a bone to pick with Bob. Bob is too damn expensive. But I digress. It's all about the macarons today. Because my almond flour is already super fine, that's probably the only good thing Bob do so far, give me less work, I'm going to place 1 cup of this in my basin. One cup. Next we have to add a 1/4 cup, I believe it said, icing sugar. Oops. Now when I want to control it, it's coming out like crazy. 1.25 cups. I'll drop that way too. I'm tasting the sugar all in my throat. That is 1.25 cups. Next up, And all we're trying to be healthy. We don't use that almond flour already. So we're using sea salt to not bite. Alright, I think there's like half a teaspoon here now. 1, 2, and mix. And fold.
Two hours later.
Now that it's mixed, I'm gonna add it to my squeeze out thingamajig. Guys, I did not tell you that this is time consuming, eh? But all in the name of love. Just did this final batch, so now I'm gonna knock it 5 times and then we're gonna preheat the oven to get the ball rolling. So far we've had this sitting for a while, so we're just gonna give it like a few more minutes, probably 15 minutes, and then place them in the oven.
A few minutes later.
Now the time has passed. I just heated the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit and it's ready to go in the oven. Let's go. Guys, while we wait for the last few minutes for the oven to finish with our batch, here I'm going to make the butter frosting. Buttercream is what it is. And what I have here is 1 cup of unsalted butter, not Blue Band. I have 3 cups of powdered sugar. I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I have 3 tablespoons of heavy cream, aka evaporated milk, because I don't know where or what is heavy cream. I'm gonna mix this together, but we're gonna wait because the oven is gonna go off just now. I thought I still had like a 10-second countdown or something. It's ready, guys. This was the batch like closest to the fire. So it come out a little brownish, but that's okay. Our first batch, however, hold on. This is what we got. We popping on my first time. 0. This is my trial and my error right here, you know. And I think this is not too bad at all. I mean, we have some giant size macarons, right? Macarons. I probably never gonna get the pronunciation right, but we winning here. We gotta be fair fought, but we winning here.
The next day.
We have 2 cooled macarons and I placed my buttercream inside of my Ziploc. I run out of the fancy bags, so I'm just gonna cut the end, a tiny snip, and then I'm going to squeeze and apply from the middle, or at least try to. And again, like a rose. Gosh, I feel like I'm being enough. Can you guys see it? So now we have like a proper looking macaron, and I'm gonna taste test. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is sweet. You definitely get that chewiness on the inside, but you start off with a crunch on the outside, slightly. But damn, this is a sugar rush, but I love it. I think I had macarons once before, and the texture, it sort of reminds me of the purchased one, which I think is probably the more professional one, so I probably come close. This is good, but we need to do the rest, and I'll show you guys a nice plate. Y'all, burnt ones need love too, eh? Just letting you know. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys like it. Let me know, will you try this as a Valentine's Day gift for BA, your family, your friends, loved ones? And until next time, let me finish shoot. Bye guys. Mm-hmm.